Tommy says, if I built a lead generation website similar to Felling Pro, which links out to lead generation sites, I currently have about 3 sites, and I'm planning to purchase a couple of links to build backlinks to the root domain and pass authority. Is brand anchor text the best type to use for the root domain? Yeah, if all of the subdomains are the same brand, maybe just with a location modifier, like what I do with Felling Pro. Yeah, topical links to the root domain that's acting as a directory page to the subdomain sites. That's perfect. You can do brand or brand, what I call compound anchors. So brand plus keywords. So like Felling Pro tree services, Felling Pro tree removal service, Felling Pro tree care services, Felling Pro tree pruning, Felling Pro stump grinding, right? All of those are brand plus. So I would do brand anchors and brand plus or compound anchors with topical links, which are going to push topical relevance to the subdomain sites. Then on the subdomain sites, you could build links with topical relevance and links with geographic relevance to the individual locations. That's clear.